How to install NoTouch OS on HP Thin Client C430. Once you have your USB bootable, you plug that in, you turn the Thin Client on, on the first screen you press Escape, and from there you select Boot Menu or the shortcut F9. Once you are in the boot menu, you select UEFI boot sources and you select the USB source. Select Install on the next screen. In this screen, you select Install NoTouch OS UEFI, hit Enter. In here you select OK, it's a warning.
I'll send it when I get back to the bar. Okay, I'll wait till you guys. Okay. That doesn't, yeah, okay, all right. Okay. Yeah, so that's, that's gonna solve the deal of, this is up close to the same thing. Now we're showing you the glow, you don't see the light, I usually, no, the light,
You'll see an installation successful, and then you press Enter. You reboot the device. The wizard comes up. You complete the wizard. Agree to terms of agreement. Set a password here. Repeat the password. And you're all ready to go.